Hello, fellow freelancers. So I've made some updates to my course for 2021, and I wanted to go through these to give you an idea as to what updates there are. You'll notice there's nothing dealing with COVID here, and that's because I already did the COVID updates during 2020, toward the end of 2020. But these are some updates for 2021, and so let's go over them. So the first one is I talk about translation tests, and I go a bit more in depth about translation tests and talk about the strategies you should have for taking them, when you should take them, when you should not take them, and how to deal with them over the long term so you can, over the long term, hopefully not have to take them anymore. Then I have, this is a downloadable document. This is my article on CAT tools and how they're being used by agencies to cheat translators. I know I've complained about this before because I'm very mad about this, so I included that in as a download. And then I talk about specialization, which I know I've talked about here as well, that you should specialize over the long term and shoot for specialization because it's something that I don't think enough people are doing, and it should be done over the medium and long term. I also talk about, and this is directly from this channel, I did a video on where to find translation jobs. And so I have that here, and I just basically put the same video, where to find translation jobs, because I thought it'd be useful in the course as well. Here I have another article, which is a downloadable, and it's an article on freelance translation, whether it's worth it, and the usual complaints about Google Translate and how to deal with that. Then here I have the first 5 steps I recommend for getting started, for starting out, because just in case, I have everything detailed from A to Z, but many times it's quite a bit of information, and so I kind of wanted to simplify it there, so I added this, the first steps I recommend for starting out. I have 3 strategies for sales emails that I talk about. The 3 strategies they're basically 3 steps you can take for all your sales emails. Because again, sales emails are a big part, and a lot of the questions I receive are about sales and about sales emails and how to go about them. Then an easy way to apply for agencies that are currently hiring using pros.com. This is an update because I have a whole section. I have a walkthrough of pros.com, and obviously I talk a lot about pros. And so I showed an easy way to apply to agencies that are currently hiring, and this is something that I had kind of recently discovered myself, and so I just wanted to add that there. And also where to get translation experience. In fact, this one as well, I had it on this channel, and it talks about where to get translation experience, basically where you can translate for free, and which is quite useful to have. And so I added that to the course. So these are some of the additions that I've made so far this year in 2021. Right now we're in mid-February, and as you can see, I added them between the 10th and the 12th. This is just to give you an idea, and just to let you know that yeah, I'm always updating. Once you have access to my course, then you have lifetime access, and so you get these updates automatically, obviously. But it can always be used as reference because it's always being updated. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can find a link, and I'll include the link down below for the course once again. But I'm sure most of you know about it by now. But that's pretty much it, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye. Savedum.